Hi, I'm Mario Pinaru with Ritzel Notes, and I want to welcome you to the May 2025 market update. Let's talk about where we stand right now. The real estate market continues to be influenced by higher interest rates. Buyers are hesitating, sellers are holding onto their low-rate mortgages, and overall, affordability remains a major concern. We're seeing fewer transactions because there simply aren't many properties available, especially at the entry level. And financing is still hard to qualify for. But that doesn't mean opportunities are gone. It just means they've changed. Right now we're in a market that's rewarding those who think differently. Traditional financing is less available, which opens the doors for creative structures like seller financing, subject to deals, private capital, and of course, mortgage note investing. What's interesting is how mortgage notes is gaining attention as a steady, secured strategy. Instead of buying the property, you're buying the debt to become the bank. You earn monthly income, and you're backed by real estate collateral, without having to manage tenants or deal with those repairs. On the other side, on larger properties, multifamilies, especially in resilient rental markets, they are still performing well. People need a place to live, and with fewer buyers, more are choosing to rent. That demand keeps occupancy high and rental income consistent. So if you're looking to diversify, protect your capital, and create passive income streams outside of the volatility of the stock market, now might just be the smart time to explore note investing or preferred equity. At Ritzel Notes, we help investors just like you to find opportunities that align with your investment goals. Whether it's monthly cash flow, long-term growth, or a hedge against inflation. If you want to learn more, visit us at ritzelnotes.com or book a free strategy call with our team. We're here to help you invest smarter, with more confidence and less stress. Thank you for tuning in. Stay informed, stay strategic, and I'll see you in the next month's update.